Okay, so in this first video, we're going to be showing new interface improvements, especially with the scene view, and we'll be showing it off with this marble game. And the main feature that I think we need to show off is vertex snapping in Unity, which is something we haven't had before, which makes it a lot easier to create these kind of games within Unity. Usually before, this wouldn't be possible in Unity, and people would just do it inside the 3D app, mostly because of the use of vertex snapping. You can take these ramps and tracks and snap them together very quickly inside Unity now. So let's show how that's done. In 2.6, if you wanted to do this, you could use incremental snapping. So you could set up units what you could snap to and scale to and rotate to. So you'd start off, you'd duplicate this, and you'd snap along holding down Command or Control and snap over to this place, and that works. And you'd keep creating your level, and as long as you were just going in one direction here, it worked very well. But as soon as you wanted to put something a little more complicated in there, say take this ramp piece and move it over, rotate it 180 degrees using snapping, and then if you wanted to move it down and get back into this place to line up with this, you might get lucky, but you're probably not going to hit it exactly. It's a lot of futzing around, so most people just didn't do it because it was just a pain. So now in Unity 3 we have vertex snapping, so I can hold down V, and on the selected object I can move the mouse around and it will snap to any vertex. And once I get the one I want, I can click and drag, still holding down V, and snap right to where I want it to be. And I can keep going with that, holding down V again, bam, snap. So this makes it so much faster. I can just start building my level. Bring this piece over, again, snap. Snap, rotate, snap, duplicate, and let's see. Yeah. And not line up. Grab some more pieces. There, we missed this one by a little bit. So snap into place, and now we've made this new track pretty fast, which would have just taken you a lot longer in 2.6. So that's the vertex snapping, just by being able to put these pieces into place like that, which is very nice. But beyond that, you can also, if you turn on wireframe, so we can see our level. So you wanted to place some more gems along here. So now we can see the wireframe. We can see that maybe we can grab one of these, duplicate it, and from the pivot point, we turn this to pivot. We can grab this one, holding down V, and just snap it right to our place on the track. And do some more of these. Bam. 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 And with the new Marquee selection tool, I can grab these guys. The Marquee selection tool will grab anything within inside the bounding box. So you notice that I'm only grabbing the gems here and not the track piece. If I wanted to grab the track piece too, I'd have to get its bounding box. And you can see that it automatically updates what you're going to select, which is nice. So, but I just want these gems, so you can see that ramp piece deselected. So I got those. Duplicate and snap some more of these guys along the track. So okay, so that's great. Now another new feature we have is if I want to add some more boxes here, I can go directly from the project pane. If I drag one of these guys out, it snaps right to the surface. So no longer do you drag a piece into the scene view and you don't know exactly where it's going to end up. Now you can see exactly where it's going to be. So I'll let that go, turn this back to center, and hit Shift, hold down Shift Command or Shift Control on Windows. Click on the middle, and I have my piece, my box here. Duplicate another one, vertex snap, maybe one more. Oops. Okay. And again, since we've divided this box nicely, we can take a gem, put this back on pivot, hold down V, and we can get some gems right on top of our boxes here. So it just makes it a lot quicker to be able to place objects in your scene using prefabs instead of making this all one big mesh in your 3D app. So being able to use prefabs reduces memory requirements and all sorts of good stuff.